Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, we will discuss that how we can create social media posts, social media covers, and different kind of stories. But mainly, we will focus our attention toward the social media templates, especially the Instagram posts. How we can create different kinds of designs, different kinds of templates of our own choice, of our own demand. So first of all, you need to log in your Canva account and go to home, and here you need to click on templates and click here all templates. Now the all templates are open in front of you. These you can see that these are the recommended posts, presentations, social media, videos, print products, and many more. And here are many templates available that you can use to create a design of your own create a design for your own choice on social media. But we need to focus our attention toward the social media. So click here, social media. Here you can see different kinds of categories: Instagram post, Instagram story, Instagram reel, Facebook post, Facebook cover, Facebook ad, your story, TikTok videos, LinkedIn video ad, animated social media, Twitter post, and many more. So first of all, we need to create a Instagram post. Click on Instagram post. Templates opens here. You can see different templates are available here, and you can choose a template of your own choice. But I have already mentioned that the templates I'm using Canva Pro version, so you need to choose the free version if you don't have the Canva Pro version. These are the Pro version templates which are not available free. You cannot use freely. These come up with a backdrop of the Canva. For this purpose, you need to subscribe to the Canva Pro version. But if you don't have, no need to be worried. So you can create a design of your own choice. For example, I want to create an Instagram post. For this purpose, I want to select a template. I'm scrolling down to get a template of my own choice. Suppose this is the template. I click on it, although it is whether it is free or not. Yes, it is free. This is not Pro version, it is the free version. Click on it. Over here, click customize this template. Here you can make changes in this template to create a template of your own. Everything available in this template can be changed. For example, if you want to remove this picture, you can remove it out. If you want to remove this picture, you can click on it and click on delete. It will be deleted. Click on it, click on delete. It will be deleted. First of all, I want to write here PLC. First of all, you need to select this text PLC training, and you can customize it in this way. Drag it up. You can reduce the distance between the text. Click on it, reducing the distance between the text. So this is the PLC training. I want to reduce its size. You can click here. Size will be reduced. And here you can change the photos. Here you need to change the contact number. You can add your own contact number. Here, the information written here, you can change it also. Click here and change. Apply at earliest, or come first, get first. You can see that you can write here. It is book now. You can write here apply now. You can click here. apply now, and you can delete the text, remaining text. This is apply now. You can increase the text size, you can decrease the text size. Everything can be changed according to your own wishes, according to your own design. You can change its position, its location, everywhere. This is a kind of different thing. You can delete this thing too. Yes, it is now deleted. 30% off. You can increase, decrease its size, its value, and everything is, it is very much available here. If you want to change the background, you can do it also. For to change the background, you need to select the whole image. For example, go to the uploads here, take this. If you don't have any image in the upload section, you need to click on upload files and select your own background which you have already made on your PC. I have selected the design of my own choice. Click here and it will be uploaded here, and you can use it for your different kinds of images. I will now drag it here, and you can see that this image is changed like this. You can add the new page, duplicate the page, only allow replacing content. You can add comment with this post and many things. If you click on the image and select here send to backward, it will go backward. You select on the image and again select image and send to back, it will come in this way. Send to backward. You can select an image at front and backward both. You can change this image again. If you want to select the whole background, then you need to select it and add the image and drag that image up to the whole Instagram post, and then select this image, bring to send to backward, send to back. Now you can see that the image is in the back of this post. Here you can increase or decrease and see that how this image looks like. You can move it up and down to adjust according to your own choice, according to your own size. Here you can see that all the images are same, so I want to delete it. Control Z. You want to move this image to a point somewhere else. So this is my image here. And if you want to have the image in the background, you need to select the whole and drag down an image and select that image into the hole in this way, and then bring to send to backward, send to back. Now the image is in the background. You can see that image. If you want to make transparency, you need to select here. You can see that the transparency increases or decreases in this way. In this way, here you can see that the post is now created, and it is with my own image also in the front and in the you can see that the background. So in this way you can create the different kinds of Instagram stories, Instagram posts. Now you need to click on share. Here you can see different options. You can copy link, you can only you can access. You can send this image to your trainer. If you have a special trainer to check out your posts, you can download it, share on the social media platforms, send to the teacher. I want to download it. When I click on download, it will be downloaded. It is now downloading into my PC, and here it is now downloaded. You can see that this image is now downloading and it is completed, and this image is now available on my PC. You can see that show in the folder, copy and paste on your desktop. Here this image is available. You can use this image into different kinds of posts. Here it is available for you. So in this way you can work out. I think you may have learned many things from this lecture, and you will start learning in the next videos. So stay tuned with this tutorials series. You will learn everything related to the Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video.